When storms hit, the damage they leave behind can be dangerous. Broken limbs, fallen trees, and unstable branches threaten your property and safety. That's where Tree Cutting BX comes in. We specialize in storm-damaged tree cutting, responding fast to remove hazardous trees and restore safety to your home or business. Our experienced team uses the right tools and techniques to get the job done safely and efficiently. No mess, no stress. But that's not all. At Tree Cutting BX, we also offer tree removal, tree trimming and pruning, stump grinding, and reliable emergency tree services, available 24/7. Whether you're dealing with storm cleanup or just need seasonal tree maintenance, we're here to help. We've earned a reputation for quality, safety, and excellent customer service, and we're proud to serve our local community. Call us today at 646-980-5379 for a free estimate. Tree Cutting BX. Trusted, local, and always ready when you need us.